There's a couple of things that we're looking for when we're doing AC tune-ups. Most Houstonians would agree that having air conditioners inside their houses is vitally important to living a comfortable life here. Not every Houstonian, though, is convinced that doing regular AC maintenance is a critical function of living here. And so let me give you a little bit of the background on why doing AC maintenance regularly is important to a good system. There's a couple of things that we're looking for when we're doing AC tune-ups. One is all of the parts and pieces that wear out quicker than the life of the system. An example of one may be this little piece right here that he's looking at and testing. So that component is not going to last as long as this entire unit is. And so testing that regularly to make sure that it's performing as designed is important, so that when you're 110 degrees outside, that doesn't wear out on you and pop, and then you have no AC for the rest of the day or the rest of that night. And so that's one piece of it, making sure everything is clean inside. Both the outdoor unit and the indoor unit is also an important part of doing a tune-up. And keeping all of these things maintained helps prevent outages. It also helps keep the unit as efficient as possible. And it gives the technician a chance to have a conversation with you that if something is starting to wear out, that let's go ahead and get on top of it now so that it doesn't become a bigger problem later. If you want more information, you can go to our website at www.du-west.com.